how to install zip files on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can download or install zip files on your mobile device or on your Android device. So to learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So now download any zip file of your choice on your mobile device. I have already done that. Now to install it, go to Files on your mobile device and go to Files, and now scroll down to find Apps. Just tap on Apps. The interface may be different on your phone, but just search for Apps on your files, and now you can see this app install files, APKs. So I have this game APK on my file, so I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you how to install it. So tap on this three-line icon, just tap on it, and now tap on this three-dot icon, just tap on it and tap on install. And you can see that it was installing my file, but for security reasons my phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. So I'm going to tap on settings and toggle this on that says allow from this source, and go back again and tap on install. And you can see that it will be installed in my phone if I do that process again. Tap on install, and now again tap on install, and you can see that this application has installed on my phone. And I hope it was very easy to install APKs on your Android device. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.